Okay, so Etsy's not really making it that easy to turn off the offsite ads, which I don't really like. Like, you would think they would make it more simple to do that. Oh, okay. I think I found it. Okay, so I'm not a big fan of how Etsy made that really difficult to find how to turn it off and turn it back on. Not that big of a fan, but if you do want to turn it on or if you want to turn it off, which it took me a minute to figure that out myself, you would have to go to settings and then click Offsite Ads, and then it would take you to this page. And then from here, you can click Opt Out, and then you would be able to turn that off, just as in case you needed to know how to do that. And I'm guessing it's the same. Yeah. So if you want to turn it on, it's the same process. You would have to go to settings, Offsite Ads, and then turn on Offsite Ads. Okay. So yeah,